So I have few questions for you related to our surrounding and environment. My question is, what's your best way to conserve water?
It's rainwater harvesting, and we should plant more trees, I guess.
So best way to conserve water is first make sure that you are planting more tree to get more water, and the secondly thing is make harvesting the water harvesting from the same rooftop. So this is the major thing what we can save water.
The best way to conserve water, according to me, would be providing, reserving the rainwater.
So what do you think our office uniform or outfit should be on the Environment Day occasion?
Okay, so for the World Environment Day, it should always be, green. It will be camouflaging nature. As we know, when we think about nature, environment, it's always green in our mind. So I'll say green, so that we can, uplift that, not on just that day, but all time. Our mother nature should always be uplifted and should be always in our hearts and memories, so that we should move towards a sustainable world ahead.
So what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word environment?
When I hear the word environment, the first thing it's Mother Earth. That what's come to my mind. We can say that the planet is not just for the humans; they are for other species as well.
The environment is the word which represent our green environment, trees, mountains which I like very much. We have to save our environment by don't throwing waste anywhere here and there. So we can throw the waste on the dustbin, so our environment can be clean.
It's tree.
My question to you is, do you know what are the 3 R's of waste management?
Recycle,
Reduce, reuse.
So tell me, how do you handle food wastage at your home?
Basically, all the peels and the extra coverings of the fruits and vegetables, I put it into the planters that I've got at home.
We don't overcook. We cook only for the sufficient quantity for all the members in the family.
बचाना पड़ेगा फूड वेस्ट होने से पहले, कि उसको कोई खा ले। चाहे एक दिन पुराना फूड रखा है तो उसको कोई गर्म करके खा ले। अगर आप नहीं खा सकते हो तो किसी गाय को या कुत्ते को या किसी भी भिखारी को आप डाल सकते हो, तो इससे हम फूड बचा सकते हैं।
And creative cooking, so just get the creative with the leftovers and the unused ingredients.
हमें उसको डिकम्पोज करने के लिए सॉइल में एग्रीकल्चर में यूज़ करना चाहिए, जिससे हमारे प्लांट्स ग्रोथ होती है, और अगर हो सके तो हम उसको एनिमल्स को भी दे सकते हैं।
What's your opinion on the use of plastic packaging?
This should be banned. उसका सबसे बड़ा इफेक्ट ओजोन लेयर पे जाता है।
Because plastic packaging remains in the environment, so we should use paper packaging instead of plastic packaging.
It's not just about plastic packing. Even the cups where we drink, people say don't drink in plastic cups and drink in paper cups. But even those paper cups have plastic inside in order to keep it proper, in that shape. So consuming everything in plastic is not good. It causes cancer and everything. It's better that you have a glass of steel or something that you carry every day, like we carry water.
For me, I have personally seen people transition from plastic packaging to paper packaging, which is, I think, a really good initiative. But if we do continue with plastic packaging, I think we can definitely find good ways of recycling them.
Name any 5 household items that can be recycled, or any items that can be recycled.
we can recycle plastic bottles और wine और beer bottles.
पॉलीथीन बैग्स हो सकते हैं, हमारे घर में जो हम मिल्क वगैरह मंगाते हैं उसके बैग्स हो सकते हैं, हम इसको रिसाइकिल करवा सकते हैं।
We can use newspaper and craft items. We can water them and make craft materials for decorating purpose.
So if you had any supernatural power to help the environment, what would that be?
So that's an interesting question. So I believe if I have a supernatural power, I will be cleaning all the rivers, especially the Ganga river, because it's way too dirty and polluted. So that is something I'm going to do.
If I have that power, so I will reduce all the plastic from
earth.
So my question to you is, which one do you prefer the most? A reusable water bottle or a single-use plastic one, and why?
Okay, so I'd prefer reusable water because it's came with several impacts. Like we can use it for health benefits, environmental impact, and obviously convenience.
जो प्लास्टिक बोतल होती है, मतलब मैंने एक स्टडी में पढ़ा है, प्लास्टिक के पार्टिकल्स आपकी बॉडी में जाते हैं जब आप प्लास्टिक यूज करते हो। एक तो रीजन ये है जो क्लियर, और ऑब्वियसली आप प्लास्टिक वैसे भी एनवायरनमेंट के लिए हार्मफुल होती है, तो जितना हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में वो अच्छा है। आप रियूजेबल चीज़ें यूज करो।
Prefer reusable cycle water bottle because after using the bottle we can go for the recycle process, so that helps our environment.
A very happy World Environment Day. Take care of your environment, not today but every day. Save water, plant more trees and be healthy.